How to enable Bluetooth on Windows 11. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. Now the first step that you need to do is to go to your taskbar, then right click on the Windows icon on the left, then go to Settings. Then once Settings has launched, you are going to go to Devices. Then as you can see here, we have options on the left. Ensure that you have selected Bluetooth and other devices. Then it will land you here. So in order to enable Bluetooth, you are just going to open this button here. Then in order to add another Bluetooth device, you are just going to click here on Add, and then you will be able to connect to the device. So ensure that the device which you are connecting to Bluetooth is also turned on. So that's really it, guys. That's how to connect or to enable Bluetooth on Windows 11 or Windows 10. I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.